You're asking what mistake destroys the 10R80 transmission in the Ford F-150. The biggest mistake is ignoring the transmission fluid's temperature and its condition. This 10-speed automatic depends on a very specific, thin fluid to work correctly. If that fluid is too cold, too hot, or dirty, the timing for shifts will be off. When that happens, parts inside start to wear out much faster, and the transmission damages itself from the inside. Think of the fluid like the transmission's blood. The 10R80 uses Mercon Ultra Low Viscosity fluid. When it's warm, it's almost as thin as water. This lets it move fast through small passages to control the clutches for all 10 gears. Because it's so thin, it doesn't handle contamination well. If small metal or clutch particles get in the fluid, they can block the small solenoids that manage shifting. If the fluid overheats, it breaks down and can't lubricate or cool properly. This causes clutches to slip and the valve body to send the wrong pressure, which leads to hard shifts, slipping between gears, and eventually, failure. Here is how you prevent that. First, always manage the transmission's temperature. This starts when you turn the key. In cold weather, don't just start the truck and drive hard. Let it idle for a minute so the fluid can warm up and circulate. Driving gently for the first few miles is even better. Cold fluid is thick and doesn't flow well, which can starve parts of the pressure they need. The other concern is overheating, especially when towing. Always use your truck's tow/haul mode. This setting changes how the transmission shifts. It holds gears longer and locks the torque converter sooner, which creates less heat. If you often tow loads over half your truck's maximum rating, think about adding an auxiliary transmission cooler. Watch your transmission temperature gauge. If it starts to get near the hot zone, pull over and let the truck idle in park to cool down. Second, pay close attention to the fluid quality. Ford gives different service schedules based on the truck's year and how it's used. A good rule for a truck that works hard is to check the fluid condition. Every 30,000 miles. New fluid is bright red. Worn fluid looks dark brown or black and might have a burnt smell. That smell means the clutches are burning. When you get the fluid changed, it is critical to use only the specified Mercon Ultra Low Viscosity automatic transmission fluid. Using a generic fluid will cause problems. After a fluid service, the transmission's computer also needs an adaptive relearn. A mechanic with a proper scan tool does this to erase the old shift habits that were learned with the old, worn-out fluid. Without this reset, the transmission may shift harshly because it is applying old rules to the new fluid. Finally, avoid hard physical shocks to the transmission. The most common one is shifting from reverse to drive while the truck is still rolling backward. The clunk you feel is the clutches being forced to stop the truck's weight, which puts a lot of strain on them. Always come to a complete stop. Then, wait a full second or two after shifting before you hit the gas. This gives the clutches time to engage without a shock. Along the same lines, always use your parking brake. When you park on a hill, set the parking brake firmly before you put the shifter in park. This lets the brake hold the truck, not the small metal parking pawl inside the transmission. Just using the pawl can cause it to wear or break, making it hard to get out of park, or even fail completely. Ignoring these simple habits is how a good transmission ends up needing an expensive rebuild. Pay attention to how your truck shifts. A new slip or a hard engagement is your best early warning.